Alright guys, here we go. We have an issue with the camera A7 III. Kind of funny because it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys something funny that's doing. I'm gonna try it out with without the lens and the lens. Alright, take it out. Alright, you guys gonna see. I'm gonna turn it on. And this is what happens. You'll see right now. You see that? It's blinking. Alright. And that's the sensor. I don't know if you guys can see the sensor. Let me... I'm gonna try one more time. The sensor kind of vibrates somehow. You see that? Kind of weird how that's doing it, but now let's try with the lens on. I'm gonna install it. Okay. Alright, it's already done. Let's turn it back on. You see the lens? And it makes that vibrating noise. I don't know what's up with that, but I really like to know why Sony has this problem with kind of expensive cameras, you know. So there you have it, guys. Be careful how you treat these cameras, because you know, at the end of the day it may cost a lot of money. I don't know how much it will cost for the repairs, but I will report it to Sony and we'll see. We'll go from there. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this is helpful. If you got an A7 III, just be aware you may run into this problem. So we'll see what happens. Thank you for watching, and I'll leave it with a A7 III acting funny. Talk to you next time.